Hello friends, today I will be showing you how you can create or change these partitions in your Windows 10. So let's open my computer, and here you can see that I have three disk partitions, local disk C, local disk D and local disk E. So suppose I want to break local disk E in two partitions, local disk E and local disk F. So how I can do that is right click on this PC and then go to manage. After going to manage, double click on storage option. Here you can see disk management option. Select this. So here you can see that these two partitions, this 100 MB uh, and this 499 70 MB, these are Windows automatically created partitions. And this is my local disk C, this is local disk D, and this is local disk E. So I have to break this local disk E into two partitions. So how I can do that is right click on local disk E and then go to shrink volume. So here going to shrink volume, uh, here enter the amount of space you want in new volume. So let's suppose I want 100 MB in new volume. So I will just write 100 here. After entering the value, just click on next or shrink, and it will automatically shrink that volume. So here you can see that the 100 MB volume is available. So just right click on it and create a new single volume. Click on next, 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 and then again next, and you will have another volume and new volume F. So you can see that I have break local disk E into two parts. Now suppose I have to then combine these two volumes now this time. So I have to combine local disk F and local disk E. So how I can do that is, again go to manage, then go to storage, disk management, and then here then select the new volume you recently created. Right click on it. After right clicking, select delete volume and delete the volume. Select yes. Then right click on volume E, click extend volume, next, next. Everything is selected already, just click next, and then you can see that both of those two volumes are combined into local disk E. So this is how you can manage your disk partitions